let's take a selfie. We can do better than that.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now,
You can save £50 per person.
that's £200 off.
That's £200 off for a family of 4.
This better be a good fucking selfie. Alright mate, I think that's good enough for the bush. I have to say this feels very cinematic with the rain as well. For me, it never rains here. Guys, what the hell have I just done? What have I done? Let's style these jeans. These jeans are dirty anyway, so I was really using these. Oh, not the rip that way. Okay, that was dumb. But I guess we can do something like this, maybe. Yeah. Bringing it back, bringing it back. Can we do one more small one? Don't ask. So the initial idea was to go shirtless. I have some paint, and we're gonna see how it goes. Ah, I also have a smoke machine. I'm just trying to move this so it doesn't look like as harsh. So we have that one in the back. And then this looks cool. Hey, why's it gone pink? This is not a pink photo shoot. I literally can't tell the difference between red and pink anymore. Fuck, man, I love this. So yeah, I think first shots, I'll do some portraits like this. I have an app as well on my phone called Canon Connect, well, Camera Connect. A lot of you guys ask me how I shoot the portraits. Boom, Camera Connect. So first I'm just gonna do some test shots and see. The thing is, it's really slow on my EOS R. We're gonna see. And self-timer. I think it's a vibe, Okay, now I found a place like on this screen that I really like, so I'm gonna roll with this. But that's the thing, like with this, you just gotta do trial and error. Just try, see what works, see what you like best, take your time. So far, I am in love. After guys, I'm gonna smash out some on the R8 as well. We can see the difference. Yeah, let's try a little further back. Maybe something like this. It is time to get a little creative. I'm gonna get out the smoke machine. I have the smoke machine here, so we're gonna take this out. And I was thinking of maybe wetting my hair as well. So, but I might do that after because once it's wet, there's no going back. It's time for the paint. Oh, this looks sick. Guys, check this out. What do you think? I got so crazy with the paint. Let's get extra crazy for the last. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I'm done. I actually have to go right now because I have a photo shoot, but yeah, that was absolutely insane. If I didn't have another shoot right now, I would literally be here for hours. I'm very impressed the way it came out. I made such a mess though. Love you guys, keep smashing your projects, and think about this the next time you decide to take a selfie.